One of the things that's really beautiful is people will bring out their family's collections. An older loved one passed, there's no room for their collection of perfume bottles or alligator figurines. And so people bring us these and we incorporate them into larger artworks, and their loved ones can live on through that. East Jesus is an experimental, sustainable, habitable art installation that intends to imagine a world without waste where everything is an opportunity for self-expression. This site had been a dumping ground by the military, and there was everything back there from rusted out vehicles to an entire gas station island. One of our most iconic pieces is called "The Television Will Not Be Revolutionized." That piece resonates with so many people. One of the things that's really magical about East Jesus is it's constantly growing and changing. We own a little over 30 acres, and we are constantly expanding pieces and expanding our grounds. So every time you come here, you're going to see something different than you saw last time. You never really know what's going to be hiding behind a corner.